22, which graph represents the solution of 2y plus 6 is greater than 4x? Remember, when you're using greater than or less than, you're using a dashed line. So right away we can cancel off 2 and 4. However, if we wanted to put this in standard form, you'd have to subtract 6 to the other side, and you would get 2y is greater than 4x minus 6. Dividing both sides by 2, you get y is greater than 4 divided by 2 is 2x, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So which one of these starts at negative 3? Because this is the y-intercept. Okay, looks like they both start at negative 3, and they both have a slope of 2. So because this is saying it's greater than, it's got to be shaded above the line. Choice 3. Number 23, they ask you which one's an exponential decay. And generally speaking, an exponential graph takes this type of shape. Okay, it's kind of, it's going up, it's going down. Okay, this one looks like, if you continued this on, this would look like a parabola. This one's a line. Okay, if you continued this one on, it would be going down. If you continued this one, it would be going up. Both of these look like that shape, but they want decay. So decay means going down. So this is choice 4. Which fraction represents x squared minus 25 over x squared minus x minus 20 expressed in simplest form? What I'm going to do is I'm going to factor the numerator. This is the difference of two perfect squares to x plus 5 and x minus 5. I'm going to factor this to x minus 5 and x plus 4. What we do now is these two expressions cancel, or more appropriately simplified to 1. So what we're left with is x plus 5 over x plus 4. Choice number 3. 25 of abx minus 5 is 0. What is x in terms of a and b? This means solve for x. So here what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add 5 to the other side. I get abx equals 0 plus 5 is 5. I divide both sides by AB, 5 over AB, choice number 1. In number 26, these are sets, and this is called set builder notation. They want you to list set U, but it has to be an integer between 0 and 10. It cannot include 0. Okay, ignore that part and ignore that part. So for U, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because it's an integer. For set S, we want odd integers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The complement of set S. Remember, the complement is all of the elements in the universe, but not in the given set. So what I'm going to do is say, okay, 1 appeared in S, 3 appeared in S, 5 appeared in S, 7 appeared in S, and 9 appeared in S. So the complement is all the leftovers. So the complement is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Choice 4. The roots of the equation 2x squared minus 8x is 0 are the following. Remember, the roots of the equation are the solutions, or where the graph crosses the x-axis of a quadratic equation. I'm going to put 2x squared minus 8x into my calculator, and then I'm going to graph it. Notice the values where it crosses the x-axis are 0 and 4. Choice 4. Which equation illustrates the multiplicative inverse? The multiplicative inverse is the number when multiplied gives you 1, also known as a reciprocal. 8 times 1/8 is 1. 6 times a 6 is 1. Choice 3. Number 29, what is the result when that expression is subtracted from? Now, when it says subtracted from, this has got to be your starting one. But remember, you could drop the parentheses off this first one, but because of this minus, you have to distribute the negative. So you have minus 4x plus 17x, and then minus 36. Combining like terms, you get negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 12x, or excuse me, plus 17x is 12x. 25 minus 36 minus 11. Choice number 4. Number 30 is talking about consecutive odd integers. Consecutive integers are numbers like 1, 2, 3, and 4. If it was x, it'd be x plus 1 because I added 1. X plus 2 because I added 2 to that next number. Consecutive odd integers are numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7. Assuming x is your first odd integer, notice how I added 2 to get to my next one. I added 4 to get to my next one. Well, Julie has 3 children whose ages are consecutive odd integers. These are their ages. First child, second child, and the third child. Because these are plus signs, I'm just going to add x plus x plus x. I get 3. 3x. 2 plus 4 is 6. Choice 4.